think the manufacturing landscape in China started from the 90s and even the 80s, and it was a big change. We became actually the factory of the world. And so, to me, the big difference with what we see here in the West is that they've created ecosystems and work very closely together in this ecosystem. And so the supply chain, everything that we build here can be built there almost as a commodity. It's available, these products, and you can customize at scale. I think that's the speed and the scale is what makes China so different. I think there's a lot of things we can learn from China. I mean, China's been learning from us for 30 years. We've never started learning from China. I think that the one thing that Chinese manufacturing is doing very well is actually to collaborate with small groups, like micro-collaboration. Small enterprises or small departments of big enterprises work very close together and have each their own expertise to actually build something. And that makes it so strong. And then bring that to the market together as well. So it's that micro-collaboration in often a more open system than we see in the West, because sharing is part of the culture in China.